I think that communication through things like social media is becoming increasingly important.
SNS とかそういうものを通しての発信っていうのが重要になってきていると思うんですけども、その中で
Within that
写真
context,
photos
I believe significant position.
になっていると思いますので、そういった
I basically conveyed techniques that can be used for photography, such as shooting techniques, that can be applied to bridal photography. In the class, I focused on three main themes. The first is being able to make the photos look beautiful. It's about how to use light, and also how to capture the composition. I hope to provide photography as part of the service for our customers. After all, what I value the most is that, while such techniques are important, the part about the plus, or that feeling is what I wanted to convey the most. Until now, I hadn't divided the frame into thirds when taking pictures with my iPhone, but I've learned that doing so makes the photos look better. Currently, I am sharing simple photography techniques that can be used in bridal settings. Right now, we are taking turns taking photos with good lighting using an iPhone. The way the light comes in really changes, depending on the moment. I thought it was very difficult, but I thought it was interesting. I feel like they are enjoying what they're doing. I think they probably have a good sense or feel for taking photos. But when a little point is added, they can take even better pictures. When you take photos not just for someone else, you have to capture and convey a message. I think that if you include what you've learned in class, it can transform into a photo that communicates better. I would be happy if you could take this on board. After all, the direction of the light is mixed with various lights right now. Just by trying this with a single light from the front, I believe the possibilities for a completely different and beautiful look, I ended up becoming a photographer myself, are truly limitless. At 27 years old, to be honest, I often find myself in situations like this. I tend to compare myself to the students in these moments. You're about 20 years old now, right? When I compare it to the kind of life I was living at that time. Now, I've chosen the path of bridal studies, and I'm continuing my education in that field. I really think that's a wonderful thing. So, to be honest, I don't know if a photo can really help someone or something. Through photography, it could be something important in life. This is a starting point for searching for dreams. I believe that since you are already living a wonderful life in your current situation, having confidence in that and truly walking through your future life beautifully would make today's lesson worthwhile. Personally speaking, I think the customer's perspective is really important when it comes to doing something as a job. Therefore, I wonder what additional value I can provide from the customer's perspective. I believe that with that combination, we can offer good services and services that reflect our individuality. So I hope you learn the basics and add your own uniqueness as you move forward in life. And I am confident you will succeed. I am really looking forward to seeing that kind of figure in the future. I am going to be a planner, but I think there are many situations where planners take photos as well. In those moments, I want to practice how to capture the bride and groom in the most beautiful way. Also, today the teacher said that it's important to first love the subject. So I will work hard to ensure that I can also love the bride and groom. What is 4 minus 2? 2.